Hello everyone. So today we are going to learn some signs for to lie or to fib or to be honest. So is it the truth? I haven't chose the sign for true because I think that has slightly different connotations, where true can also mean to be certain. So I've gone for to lie or to be honest. These would be the signs for, but I'm sure you can use honest and truth together. So the first one we'll go for to lie or to fib, and that is with your index finger pointing out, and the base of your hand is under your chin, and your index finger is going to travel from one side to the other. Okay? To lie or to fib. To fib. And then to be honest or to tell the truth, I would say, this is to cross your heart. So you're going to go down, and then the second stroke it comes in towards your body. Okay, so down and inwards. To be honest or to tell the truth. Okay, so I hope that helps, and I'll see you again